Union Home Minister Amit Shah has claimed that violence in Kashmir, Northeast region and Maoist-infested areas has decreased by 80% since the abrogation of Article 370. He was addressing at the 79th Raising Day celebration of Delhi Police at its headquarters today. Speaking further, the Union Home Minister hailed the period from 2014 to 2026 as a golden period for India's internal security and highlighted that the Kashmir region, Northeast region and Maoist-infested areas across 11 states were major internal security challenges for 3-4 decades before 2014. He added that there has been significant progress with the repeal of Article 370, including around 10,000 youths from Northeast states surrendering arms and returning to the mainstream, and 20 peace agreements signed in the region. The Union Home Minister reassured that India would be completely free from Maoist violence by March 31, 2026, noting that the country is working towards strengthening borders and addressing narcotics.
धारा 370 के निरस्तीकरण के बाद कश्मीर, नॉर्थ ईस्ट और माओवादी क्षेत्र में हिंसा के आंकड़ों को हम 80% तक कम करने में सफल हुए हैं और वो दिन दूर नहीं है जब ये तीनों क्षेत्र पूर्णतया हिंसा से मुक्त हो जाएंगे। मुझे दिल्ली की जनता के माध्यम से देश को बताते हुए हर्ष हो रहा है कि हम माओवादी क्षेत्रों को हमेशा के लिए नक्सलवाद से मुक्त करने के बहुत नजदीक हैं। मैं देश की जनता को फिर से एक बार विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं, 31/3/2026 को पूरे देश को हम माओवादी हिंसा से मुक्त करने में सफल होंगे।